Welcome to this video summary of our first physics discussion. We will synthesize key themes from Section 3, including the role of GPS, the scientific method, and the fascinating physics of our senses. Our recent discussion covered 7 core themes, ranging from physics in our daily lives and accuracy in measurements to the fundamental concepts of laws, theories, and energy conservation. We explored how students, initially skeptical about the relevance of physics, found new appreciation for it in their future careers, particularly in fields like animal science and medicine. A key takeaway was the distinction between scientific laws and theories. Remember, a law describes what happens, while a theory explains why or how it happens. They are distinct tools, not steps in a hierarchy of certainty. On the topic of measurements, the class correctly identified that while the U.S. has a unique history with units, the metric system remains superior for scientific calculations due to its consistent powers of 10 structure. Addressing a great student question, GPS is one of the hardest technologies to understand without physics, as it relies on classical mechanics, electromagnetism, and both special and general relativity. When troubleshooting complex problems, remember the scientific approach. Observe first, rank explanations by probability, test one variable at a time, and let results guide your investigation. It is also worth noting that our human senses act as biological instruments, specifically evolved to detect various physical quantities like electromagnetic radiation, pressure waves, and thermal energy. Finally, we touched on the law of conservation of energy. As many of you noted, energy is never lost. It is simply converted between different forms, a principle that applies as much to our own bodies as it does to a battery.